Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, ticker symbol PACB, Pacific Biosciences, a penny stock being bought by ARK Invest. What's going on here? Cathie Wood buying into this. What do they know that we don't know? I'm also going to look very quickly. It's a very brief mini look at this stock. Look at this. This was just sent in by one of our members, and we're going to share this with you now. Look, this is PACB, Pacific Biosciences. I'm going to zoom in. Vanguard, BlackRock, ARK Invest have just started buying. Look at this, 34 million, 26 million, 24 million. Very nice indeed. Big institutions, big names buying into this stock. Worth mentioning as it is only a penny stock. That's important, right? So let's have a quick look at it. This is not a full-blown review at all. It's just a quick look at a biopharmaceutical stock. Very high risk, but can move very quickly. Can you turn the money printer on? Can you make some money? Does it all stack up? Okay, a 1 minute review. Are you ready? We're going to do it nice and quick. Are you ready to go? Have you tapped the like button? Are you ready to have you hit the subscribe? Are you ready to move? All right, here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go straight in. We've got a undervaluation of 73%. Looks good, right? Worth $5. However, health warning, woo. Okay, it doesn't use DCF valuation, so we cannot be relying on that valuation at all. However, if we look down here, this is what institutions are looking at. This here, 200 million in revenue, up 18%, and an S-curve. That is an S-curve going forward into next year. That's why Cathie Wood will be buying it. This here, operating income, is starting to accelerate up. Net income is up 0.8% and expecting to go up. What else looks interesting? Let's look at the balance sheet. 1.7 billion in assets. Cash, 631. Plenty of cash. Liabilities. Long-term debt is nearly all of that. So they've got a lot of debt. Maybe that's why the stock is down 85%. This is just a very brief review. Gross margins, 28%. Everything else is negative. Scrolling. Mike, are you with me? Profitability, 29%. No surprise, it's not making any money at the moment. Solvency, 52%. It's not going bust, though. What about the upside? Here it is. Worst case scenario, 367%. That's why BlackRock, Vanguard, ARK Invest like it. Madrone Advisors, Nico Assets, and Cathie Wood are into it. 683% upside on the average. 1,395% upside at the best case scenario. Do we have a short interest? Insiders have been selling it, driving it down. We've started buying back, though. That's good. We've just started to see that. During the last 12 months, Pacific Biosciences in California brought 176, but we sold 3.5 million. Started to buy back. Good sign, maybe. Short interest, 20%. Yes, short squeeze territory. Once this word gets out, perhaps that ARK are buying it. We've got a short interest of 20%. With volume, the stock can obviously short squeeze. There's no latest news. Our news will appear here soon on Alpha Spread. Click above my head for further information. There we go, a mini review for Chris Schultz, one of our members. We got a bit confused this morning, so I wanted to go above and beyond to make it right. There we go, Pacific Biosciences. Shall we scroll up? Scrolling. Okay, what do we see? What's the volume? The average volume is 10 million. Today's volume in the morning is 5, so no massive volume just yet, but things are moving. What do you think? Is this good for you? Click above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here for more information. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.